Do you know the names of common herbs in English? Let's learn them one by one. Herb. A plant or its leaves used in cooking to add flavor to food or for medicinal purposes. Basil. A plant with sweet-smelling green leaves that is used to add flavor in cooking. Mint. A plant with fresh, strong-smelling leaves used in food and drinks to give flavor, and used in cooking as a herb and to decorate food. Coriander. Also USA cilantro. A plant whose leaves are used as an herb and whose seeds are used in cooking as a spice. Long coriander. A plant with long, strong flavored leaves used as a herb similar to coriander. Parsley. A plant with curly or flat green leaves used to add flavor to food and for garnish. Chervil. A plant with delicate green leaves like feathers used as a herb with a mild flavor. Dill. A plant with thin feathery leaves has a strong taste, used as a herb in cooking. Thyme. A plant with small leaves that has a sweet smell and used as a herb for flavoring food. Rosemary. A bush with needle-like leaves used to add flavor in cooking and used in some perfumes. Oregano. A plant with small leaves used as a herb in cooking, especially in pizza. Sage. A plant with soft gray-green leaves used as a herb to give flavor to some food. Chives. A plant with long, thin green leaves and purple flowers used as a herb with a mild onion flavor. Lemongrass. A tropical grass with a flavor like lemon used as a herb in Southeast Asian cooking. Bay leaf. A leaf from a bay tree, often dried and used as a herb to add flavor to soups and dishes, usually removed before serving. Fenugreek leaves. Leaves of the fenugreek plant used as a herb and leafy vegetable. Curry leaf. A strong-smelling leaf from a small Asian tree used in cooking to add flavor to food, especially in South Indian dishes. Tarragon. A plant with narrow leaves that have a slightly sweet flavor and are used in cooking as a herb. Marjoram. A plant with small green leaves used as a herb with a mild sweet flavor. Fennel leaves. Feathery green leaves of the fennel plant used as a herb for flavor. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.